hello. Today I'm going washing. I got soft clothes, sandals. Today's gonna be a fun day, guys. We're gonna go car washing and we're gonna be taking a special guest. I got some coupons for Acme, so we're gonna stop by there on the way to get my guest, then go washing. Ew. Oh, shoot. It is nice out. Like not too cold and not too hot. Yeah. You guys see her? You guys see that beautiful thing? Long story short, that is kind of my mom's car. This is mine. And we're matching. Ugly black wheel. Oh crap, I have like a little flat. Today, this is all gonna get cleaned up. Ugly, disgusting, beautiful car. Alright, let's get the day started. It's not as hot as yesterday because it's like cloudy. Before you go, always let your car warm up before you drive it. I am here at my destination. Can you guys see Acme? It says Acme right there. I'm gonna go get myself what these coupons can get me.
For free.
I love this thing. That is my first time parking her in a store. Instant winner donut or bagel. Snack artist chips. Oh yeah. Instant winner for Monopoly game tickets. Wow, I have a lot. Oh. The coupon, I would have had to pay $2.48. Hello. Okay, we're back and now we're going to my girlfriend's house. Check that out. I think I put like, I don't even know how many miles to be honest. And I'm backing up. I went up there in reverse. Hit my wheel a little tiny. Seems to be good. I think the only thing that happens is those. She has her deer. Here you go, babe.
Love it. Love.
So my girlfriend's dad has these fabric and all these liquids that I needed for washing. She just made the whole day perfect. And we're gonna watch these two very good videos. These washing tips are really, really good. We're gonna write down what we need in this piece of paper so we don't forget. And I think that's what we're gonna buy that we need. You can record for me? Thanks, babe. You're joking, right? You're not gonna film me like that. What have I gotten myself into? Throw this up. Then close this. You have a knife. Get like a. How do you have a broken? Oh. Find yourself one. Ah, there's no. You don't have a knife, babe?
There's probably some in there.
This is. You're gonna make a hole in the top. Hole. Put the knife where you got it. And shake it up. Oh, that is terrible. That is terrible. This will work. So, do you stop filming? Well, there's my little idea. You just make a little hole, shake it, make it like you got a little. Oh, God.
There's a bug in.
My girlfriend's smart. She want to take some extra soap. Thank you. And here's everything I have so far, guys. Okay, I found a bucket in the container. We needed one, and we found what we had, and we're walking to my car. All the stuff we need. Thanks, babe. Now we load up everything in the car. This thing is so dirty. Everything in. So I'm gonna show you all the dirty stuff so you guys can see what a difference. So here's the inside. Look at that. There's a floss right there now. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna sit down.
All this.
Are you sure there's no bugs here?
this dirt. This little Allen key. See all that dirt? A free rock and paper. Super dirty. Look at the door. Well, can't see it too well, but the door's covered in pollen. So dirty. It's hard to even see anyway. Look down there. Stuff. The front looks really beautiful. Look at this, a piece of shit. This will be all cleaned up. Okay, this is sad. Like, there's so much dirt, dirty stuff inside of here. All the stuff is loaded in the car. Oh, the roof is nasty too. I had to come back in the house to get my fish eye. And now it is time to... Hello? Thanks, babe. Now we're going out. Seatbelt on. Neutral. My bobblehead's ready. Yep. First thing I do is lower the windows. It's gonna get hot. I lower the back ones. I guess I lower the back ones. Yo, hopefully the bag doesn't fly out. Okay, we gotta make sure we're safe. Alright, you ready? I'll lower this paper, hopefully. Oh boy, this would have flown out. Alright, ready? First gear. And we are out. We're here at the dollar store. I had to park next to my buddy here. Squad. We are shopping.
Toothpaste first.
How we ended up in the dollar store, but we got toothpaste, drinks, more drinks. Girlfriend, she bought me toothpaste and a drink. Look how pretty she is. Still squatting. All right. Now it's time to go to a car place, maybe AutoZone, who knows. In my car we have these charger things, and I don't have the part. I looked in here. Oh, there's one. I'm so stoked. Oh, are you kidding me? False one. Let's go. At AutoZone. I'm just hoping to find some fluids and liquids for washing. Hallelujah. Some wax and then some polish. And then my girlfriend, me and her paid half and half because they're on sale. So why not? Let's make this car beautiful. Let's go. Finally eating her donut. And guess what?
What?
You're the first person eating in my car. You gotta feel special. Don't dirty my car, cause it's really clean. Guys, check out my brother. I'm about to honk at him. Nah, cause then the person that's gonna be mad at me. You wanna record yourself? Say anything? Man, look at my brother go. Come here, brother. Hey, record that guy. Come on, don't get afraid. Oh my God, who crashed into there? Hey, look, my other brother. That's the same. Oh, that's a you know what I hate about the hill? Huh. It'll roll back. Why? It'd be funny if I hit it. That's the car I was gonna get, a Corolla. But they are slow. They only go like 110 miles per hour. Unless you modify it, obviously. Still washing place. So we wanted to wash the car first, but they're all busy. So I think we might have to clean the inside first. So right now we're starting to clean the inside. We cleaned that door, or this part. My girlfriend cleaned the inside for me. That's good. So my car apparently has a bunch of sticky stuff in it. Like, look at that. Can you see it? It's like candy, right? Mm-hmm. Ew. Right now we're just gonna start wiping the doors and stuff. We started cleaning a little bit. My door's looking cleaner. I didn't do much. Look at all this trash. And then these are the things I'm just gonna look at, see what it is. There's one spot, so we gotta go to it now. We brought the car inside, and we have the first one. So we're gonna unload all the soap, and we have so many clean. So first thing we're gonna do is touchless wash. So wash.
Do you want to use their soap or do you want to use our soap?
Huh?
Because you can put soap, wash soap.
That it? There you go. Alright, babe. Step is to use soapy water and take out like the stuff that is kind of stuck onto it still. Wait. Do you remember?
Stop.
And we cleaned up everything. Now we're just gonna move the people a little truck, and my girlfriend kind of feels bad. So we're gonna come back. All I have to do is use the yellows. Now we're about to clean the inside. It's so filthy. Blown up battery in there. After hard work, now we're on to the clay pot. Vacuum cleaners don't work. Hopefully those work. After 1 hour, I have finally clayed the whole car. It's pretty ugly. And once you wash it off, it should be better. See that stuff? Kind of dirty right now, but once it comes off, it looks so much better. This wax will not come off your nails once you use them. Did you tell them what you did?
Mm-mm.
Hey, it's Kevin's girlfriend. Look what I did. I cleaned it. I was probably just gonna end up saying, I cleaned it, guys. Hope you like it. Then say something. I've been quiet.
Tell them I did it.
You did?
No, you tell them.
Next step, paint correction, which will be polish. To do polishing, you gotta put those scratches, put some polish on there, make sure it gets. I gotta take out all this dusty, nasty looking clay. Oh my god, it's smooth, babe. It's smooth. It's so nice. That shit did work. Dude, it's so good. Now I'm off.
I thought this was cool. It's a trash can.
Okay, the final, last, official step. Recording this?
Yep.
You can hear me?
Yep.
I got on the last step. The last step is put wax over to protect the skin. Last step. Step. Hello. His name was Patrick McCoy Judy. He left. I don't really know what this is. Maybe his wife, I don't know. I think he just smokes more card papers, cars, some receipts. Oh, you're the Prius. That's some old ass and sanitizer. Look at that. Come with all of these matches for life now. This plug, I'm not sure what it does. A pencil that looks like a pen. He got done a inspection. I do not know what. Now for the fun part. Him with this plastic thing, I don't know what that is. Car smelling thing. Oh yeah, it's wet because it had all sticky. I think these are aux cord smelling things. More smelling. Came with a lot of smelling sticks because I guess he used to. Really nice pencil. A USB. Let's find out what's in it. A battery. A can opener. I never knew. Some little lights. Wet, but I think they might still work. Plastic little bolt and nut. A bigger nut. Last but not least, a bunch of. Or this little tiny screw. It's a fake coin or a token to Trojan's condom. How much money is in here? These are all 10 coins, so there's $1.69. Never mind, there's more coins. Here's the car, guys. It is covered with pollen. Are you sure? We just cleaned. It's been about a week now. It's time to finish this video. So you guys already know what the outside looks like. It's pretty clean. We worked hours on it. Got dirty, obviously. Now it's a little better. Right now it's not the cleanest and it's not the dirtiest, but it is better than what it used to be. I took off the stickers. Now it just says a car top. I put 30 because that's a special number to me. I only left that sticker on it because this is pretty ugly, so. The inside is very clean now. Look at my door, it looks the same. In here, power steering fluid, because I need some, but I don't know how to. You look, much cleaner than before. It's not as dirty as it used to be. Whoa. Well, it's a little. Yeah, look at my carpet. It's way better. It used to be like a dirt pile back here. Now it is way better. Well, I'm using my flash on my other phone. Here's the top. Looks so much. I cleaned my cup holders. The only bad thing so far down here, dude, that's so nasty. Couldn't reach down there, but we'll get it cleaned real soon. Look, real. The floor looks amazing. But yeah, this is what the inside is looking like. The battery mark is still over there. Okay, you guys get it. Really clean in there. Let's go to the back. On the back, looks nice as always. I'm gonna let it speak first. Remember when the trunk had a lot of leaves? Not anymore. Well, had a little. Okay, now look at the inside. Not really bad anymore. And here's my trunk. Absolutely way better than before. All my stuff is here now. I think it's open. I used to not be able to know. And that's today's vlog. Thank you guys so much for watching. You guys are awesome.